It's my first name is Geheris and my second name is Gidlow. My dad's an amateur Arthurian historian and it's one of Geheris's Knights of the Round Table. So it's yeah, he just loves Arthurian history so much. He thought, why not I name one of my children after an Arthurian knight? So yeah, it's a bit of a weird one. So I applied for Oxford. I've done all the interviews and everything. They gave me a place. So I was basically waiting on my grades today, and they turned up all good. So hopefully I should be going off to Oxford come late September, early October. It's really nice. Very happy with my results. I got A in history, which I could have gone for an A-star, but I got the A, and then I got A-star in economics and an A-star in politics. And then previously in 1 year I finished my philosophy A-level as well. I got a B in that in 1 year, which is not too bad. Yeah. When I first went to college, I ended up going to a place called Judd, the Judd, which is up in Tunbridge, which is almost the complete antithesis of this place, complete opposite. And I like them both very much for different reasons, but this place has some really good things going for it. I like the freedom that's involved with all of the study here. For someone like me that works so well, not being told what to do all the time, but just being given little pointers here and there, and then being told to go off and then try and sort it out myself. That works really well for me, it suited well for me, and that also gave me the opportunity to go a bit more beyond in all my subjects as well. Every time I found something that I was interested in, it meant that I could go on a little bit further and delve deep into that by myself without kind of any restraints here and there. So I love the freedom of that. Justin, as my history teacher, he was absolutely phenomenal. I think we went through about 20 or so different copies of my personal statement, possibly even more, I lost count, before I sent it off to Oxford, and it would be ridiculous stuff like I might even just change one word come the end and then send it back to him, and then he'd have to look through it all again. So his dedication, yeah, definitely helped me get through. So the convenience of having, this is the closest sixth form there is to my house, so the convenience of being nearby is extremely useful because it gave me extra time in order to work and revise. As I mentioned earlier, the freedom is something that's really huge for me, especially if you're aiming for those higher universities. By the time you get into your second year, you're already kind of, there's a gnawing inside you to want to be able to go off and study your own stuff anyway, and that's basically what university is. You got a lecturer, tutor who might be pointing you in the right direction, but all the study is your own and you're only studying things that you're interested in. I think by the time you get into the second year especially, and then for me that was even in my first year because I'd already been a year behind, that I had that gnawing in me already, and Sussex Coast provided the right environment for me to be able to go off and study exactly how I wanted to.